Landlords, are you testing your smoke alarms? When you rent out your property and you hand over the keys to the tenants and you produce that inventory, are you providing evidence that you've tested the smoke alarms, and has the tenant signed the fact that they're happy that the smoke alarms are working? Smoke alarms are a very important safety feature in every rental property, and if you don't test the smoke alarms at the start of the tenancy, you will have issues with eviction because it is a prerequisite, and you must test smoke alarms as the tenancy starts. And if you don't do it, you could have an issue getting rid of your tenants. My name's Sammy, I'm from Mex.